we've just taken a side road towards Ashbourne, and we're just passing through the village of Winkhill. Actually, we're just getting to the end of it. We're back to the 50s. Still a lot of greenery around us. I did ask Dave to specifically stay away from the main road that runs between Leek and Macclesfield. I think it's A523. I just find that road a bit straight and boring, and loads of cameras and loads of traffic, so I generally tend to stay away from those routes if I can. That is back out of the quarries. I wonder if that's the Hillhead quarries. I've lost my bearings now. I've taken that many turns. And here we come to water houses. Almost looks like Dave has snuck us onto the main road. Oh, all those pretty gardens. So little kept. It really makes all the difference when a neighbourhood or a village, when they all care for their front lawns like that. It just lifts the whole area. And Dave has brought us along the main route. Cheeky little so-and-so. Hopefully it turns off soon. Cottages. Better there. Just a pity that they're right on the main road. Wow, that's incredible. That's the third speed camera I've counted within 200 meters. This one seems to suggest that we are A523. Leaving water houses now. I always find it so strange that the main routes are marked down to 50, whereas the tight small roads leading off the main routes are still marked at the national limit, which is 60. So the more dangerous roads are 60, and these main routes just doesn't make sense. They've probably done that because of the volume of traffic on these main routes. Peppered with quite a lot of insects today. See on my visor. Hopefully the camera hasn't been blitzed. Oh, there's a whole lot more. People have been saying, commenting that there's far less insects spotted on the visors. I think Freddie Dobbs said it with his videos too. Certainly seem to be making up for it today. Well, let me end it there until we get off to some smaller little roads again. Ah, here we go. We're going to be turning off to Ilam. Dave did say Ilam, and then one more, so it's A52. That's right. It wasn't A523. It was A52. So apologies. Yeah. So here we go. Off the main roads onto a more dangerous little road, which has got a higher speed limit. And it's two-way. Anybody that's watching in another country. So these are marked at 60 miles per hour, which is near enough 100 kilometers per hour. These roads are barely big enough for one car, let alone two. Generally they're filled with tall hedgerows, so you can't see what's coming in this direction. See that pedestrian? See the car there, where that car is placed right now on the road. You'll be able to get another car in this direction. You'll see how they slow down here to pass each other. That's how close you are, and that car's come to a complete stop as well. And then they'll all speed up and they'll do their 60 miles per hour again. But these cars, sometimes they'll be in the middle of the road and you won't be able to get past. To get through. Check, mate. See the straight section, see if I can zip past this fella. Just can't see the road up ahead, so it'd be foolish to pass when you can't see it ahead. There. Riding bikes in England. These roads can be quite testing at times. Very technical and testing. You've got to have your wits about you. Certainly can't be sitting here admiring the scenery all the time. Just a pity that we've got so much cloud cover today. And as I mentioned earlier today, my air temperature is showing 12 degrees Celsius. I know this Suzuki overreads by a few degrees, so I imagine it's probably about between 9 and 10 degrees Celsius. The weather report did say that it was going to be a maximum of 12 degrees Celsius today. And you can certainly feel that it's quite cool when you stand in the shadows or you've got a bit of wind. So how I'm currently dressed at the moment, although I've got the Ilam Marrakesh jacket on, underneath that I've got the Ilam windbreaker. I've forgotten the name of it. It's like it's not quite waterproof, but it is water resistant, so if you're caught in the shower, you know, it's good enough for a shower. Prevent yourself getting wet. And then underneath that windbreaker type thing, I've got just a normal fleece that I use when I go skiing and snowboarding. And then underneath that, then I've just got a technical shirt, a summer technical shirt. Generally, I don't ride in winter. Just won't be bothered with the cold and the wet. The cold doesn't hinder me too much. Yeah, the cold doesn't bother me too much. It's the wet. I just can't stand when it's raining, or if the roads are all salty. It just makes such a mess of the bike, so I just don't bother. Yeah, call me a fair weather biker, don't mind. So, I enjoy riding on this like this. So, even though it's a little bit chilly today, it's fine because the sun's out, we're all having fun. So as we go through Ilam, we will switch off the camera now. Oh, there's a pheasant running across the road. I don't know if you caught it, just scooted up there. And switch off for a bit, and then I'll see you as we start heading towards Motovlog. See you in a bit.